So today I'm going to be riding the Suzuki GS 400. This is a 1977 motorcycle. It has 6-speed. It is a 2-cylinder, 38 horsepower. This bike was custom made by my mom and dad, believe it or not. And we're just going to go for a little ride. It's a kickstart to make sure the fuel's on. Alright. We're just turning off the choke now. Let it warm up for a minute. This bike is really unique. They custom painted it this beautiful color. We're going to go for a ride right now to a coffee shop. My favorite drug. This bike has no front brakes, so it's going to be good practice for me to use the rear brakes. We're just going to warm it up. Should be ready soon. All right. Put it in first gear. Wait for my father to leave. All right. Just waiting for Dad. Go ahead. All right, here comes my dad. He's on a 400. Can't really see if anyone's coming. There's no speedometer on this bike. We're at 3 RPM right now. So right now we're riding in New Jersey. It's a nice temperature out right now. It's about 75, 80 degrees. It's a beautiful day to ride. I came up to visit from Florida, where it was a torrential downpours for quite a while. So it's nice to come in and see some sun. Riding with my dad up there. My dad's a avid motorcyclist. He has a couple bikes, but he rides every single day. Every single day, unless there's snow on the ground. Sometimes he'll ride even if there's snow on the ground, just as long as it's not on the street. So I'm trying to be really conscious of using the rear brake. I keep hitting the front one out of habit. This bike handles really well. And it's very light, even for me. It's very nice size. You can't go too fast on this bike. It's not that powerful, but it's good for cruising around town. It's a cafe bike. My parents worked on this for about a year. They custom fabricated the rear fender that you saw earlier. My dad also did the painting all himself. He's also a mechanic, so he did the mechanics on this bike. It required some love. It is an old motorcycle. It's 1977. So I'm hitting the rear brake right now. This has good engine braking also. It idles really high, but I'm sure we could adjust that. You see the color is gorgeous. So my dad's up there also on a 400. This bike's newer. I think it's 2 years old now. I could be wrong. It's a beautiful day to ride. I love riding in New Jersey. It's so much better than riding in Florida. It actually has inclines and some nice swervy roads. But New Jersey riders are definitely aggressive though, so gotta keep an eye out. So you can see I don't really reach the ground, but still comfortable enough. You don't have to reach the ground to ride a motorcycle. So any girls out there thinking they can't ride because they're short, you definitely can. Just gotta work and practice your balance and feel confident that you can do it. That's the most important thing. I know I can ride any motorcycle, and because I'm confident in my ability, I don't doubt it, and I get on a bike and just take off. So let's see. All right, coming up to our destination over here. This adorable little coffee shop. It's right next to a railroad station, which doesn't operate anymore. Nice little downtown. I'll pull up soon and see if we can find some parking. Nice thing about a bike, you can pretty much squeeze anywhere. Right. Well, I'm not quite sure where we're gonna go. Let's see. Alright, there we go. We got some spots up here. Just pull in. Alright. Let's see, how do I turn it off? There's no button. Alright, we're using a screwdriver to turn off the bike. Or he's adjusting the idle. Okay, he's adjusting the idle. Oh, there's a key. It's a switch. Oh, okay. It's an on and off switch. I didn't see that. So we had a coffee. I think that's my third cup today. It's only 11. We adjusted the idle on this bike. It's a little too high earlier. This bike's really sensitive. My dad's kickstarting his bike behind me. One kick, pretty good. So we're gonna head out right now. I'm gonna follow my dad. He's cut in front of all the traffic. He's a bit of a wild man. Alright. I just tried to use a front brake again. I keep forgetting. Oh, so that coffee was really good. We're headed out now. This bike is basically an older model of the one in front of me in a way. They're both 400s. The one I'm riding is not fuel injected. It's so old. My dad's bike up there, that 400 is fuel injected. It's one cylinder. It's the Yamaha 400. So this neighborhood is a beautiful neighborhood. It's a lot of white collar families. The houses are pretty big. I think we're going to go back out after this. I'm going to go on the 400 right there. Get some video on that bike. This bike feels a lot better now that he adjusted the idle. Got a park on the right. Shalom, Yedelim. Oh, it's so nice outside. Really is a perfect day to ride. Riding this bike is an absolute blast. I see why people really get into the cafe bikes. It really feels like a machine. Now, a lot of the newer bikes that you ride are so smooth, but this bike, you feel the bumps. You are very aware that you are on an older motorcycle. It's rough. It's a tough bike. It's so nice that my parents made this together. They always make the bikes together. Each one has a skill set the other one doesn't, so they really complement each other when they make bikes, when they custom make bikes together. My dad has a few other bikes he's custom made. This is by far my favorite bike, probably because I can more easily ride it. Such a small bike, it's easier to cruise around on. Oh, it just has great steering control. I wouldn't go for too long of a ride on it. No, it is an older bike. Don't know how reliable it would be, but it's great for just going to get coffee or go a couple towns over. So we're headed back. A nice little neighborhood. People are riding their bikes. Guy's walking his dog. I love New Jersey. I don't like to admit I'm a Jersey girl, but I am. So if anyone's interested in a nice project, I would definitely encourage them to try to make a cafe bike. I think in a way it was this big fad for a while, people making cafe bikes. I think it's died down a little, but the desire is still there, and I totally understand why. It's great bikes. Make a bike entirely your own. Alright, so thanks for joining me on this little ride, and hope to see you. Hope that you check out another one of my videos on Daily Motorcycle Cafe YouTube channel.